Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand, with the help of model view in Power BI, how we can manage relationships. So let's try to understand this. That we are having a master file where we are having the roll number, student, and marks. And in the second sheet, we are having the roll number, house, and spots. So the ID which is common in both of them is roll number. So just check in the master table also. So roll number is a common thing. We want to connect these two Excel sheets. How we can do? First of all, we will go in Excel workbook and click on master table. Click on it. Load. So all the measures have appeared. Now click on the model view. Now we want to connect the transaction sheet with this master table. How we can do? Again go in Excel workbook and click on transaction. Open. Click on the transaction table. Load. Done. You can see both the sheets have been connected with the help of roll number. Just click on it and you will be able to see how it's connected with the help of roll number. So this is how you can manage relationships in with the help of model view in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like and share my videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Link given in the description box.